Hello students, in this video you will learn about Perkin reaction. Okay, so what is Perkin reaction? When aromatic aldehyde is treated with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate followed by acidification, it gives alpha beta unsaturated acid. It's called as Perkin reaction. Okay. What is reaction of Perkin reaction? So take any aromatic aldehyde. Okay, so this is your aromatic aldehyde. It is your benzaldehyde. Okay, it's react with or treated with acetic anhydride. So take acetic anhydride. It is your acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate. It form cinnamic acid. It is your cinnamic acid, C double bond OOH, cinnamic acid plus acetic acid. So it is your Perkin reaction. So next is your mechanism of Perkin reaction. So in first step, what happened? This sodium acetate break down and form acetate ion. So it is your acetate ion and sodium ion. Okay. In next step, what happened? This acetate ion abstract proton from acetic anhydride. Take this acetate ion. It is your acetate ion. It's abstract proton from acetic anhydride. So its proton goes here and form acetic acid. Okay, and this is your carb anion. Okay. In next step, what happened? This carb anion attack on benzaldehyde. Okay, so take this benzaldehyde, and it is your carbon ion. Okay, so this carbon ion attack here, and this pi bond break and form this intermediate CO minus. It is your EH. It is CH2, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3. Okay. This intermediate abstract proton from acetic acid. This intermediate abstract proton from acetic acid and form this compound. Okay, so it is your OH, H, C, H, H, double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3. Is your intermediate. So what happen in next step? The dehydration means removal of water. Dehydration take place. This water molecule is removed and form this compound CH, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3. So this is your next compound. And hydrolysis take place. So what happen in this hydrolysis? Okay, take this compound O, O, C double bond O, CH3. So break down this compound, and proton from acid molecule goes here, and hydroxyl group from acid molecule goes here, and form final product CH, C double bond O, OH. It is your cinnamic acid plus this is your acetic acid. So this is your Perkin condensation, Perkin reaction. Thank you.